today we have a dog. My mom wanted this for a long time, but she said it's mine. So I want to blog it for her. So let's open it. See if let's open it. Okay. It's a little bit hard to do it. So let's go ahead, whip it open. I'm gonna rip it because I just want to rip it. I don't have any scissors in my room. Oh. Or I could just peel the sticker off. Okay, let's see. So hard to get out. First, let's show you the doggy. Oh my god. So look at this. So that's there. Is there anything else? So we're supposed to bend this down like that, and then we play. And we're supposed to press the buttons and stuff, and don't let it, like get you and stuff. I have no idea where the battery is, but there's screwdrivers. So instructions. Like this. And then we press the button and we'll do like that. So this is the dog. So good. So let's fix it. Fix it a little bit. I think it's a little broken.
Are you doing now?
Shh. You messed it up. I'm just kidding.
You can do it again. Oh.
So, here's the dog. So this is. So we're gonna make another video. Playing the dog. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be like. Okay, bye guys.